Crate training your dog is one of the most effective and humane ways to establish positive habits, encourage independence, and provide a safe haven for your four-legged companion. Whether you have a puppy or an adult dog, crate training can help with housebreaking, reduce anxiety, prevent destructive behaviors, and make travel or vet visits less stressful. But like any training, it requires patience, consistency, and an understanding of your dog's needs and instincts. To begin, it's important to understand why crate training works. Dogs are den animals by nature. In the wild, they seek out small enclosed spaces for safety and comfort. A crate, when used properly, can mimic this sense of security, providing your dog with a place to retreat and relax. However, the crate should never be used as a form of punishment. Instead, it should be introduced as a positive, inviting space, a sanctuary, not a jail. The first step is choosing the right crate. Size matters. Your dog should be able to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. For puppies, consider a crate with an adjustable divider so you can increase the space as your puppy grows. If the crate is too large, your dog might use one end as a bathroom, defeating the purpose of house training. If it's too small, your dog won't be comfortable and may develop negative associations. Once you have the right crate, select a location in your home that is quiet but not isolated. Your dog should feel like part of the family, so place the crate in a room where people spend time, perhaps the living room or kitchen. Avoid high-traffic areas or spots with direct sunlight or drafts. Make the crate cozy with a soft bed or blanket, and perhaps a favorite toy, but avoid anything that could be chewed up and swallowed. Introducing your dog to the crate should be a gradual, positive experience. Begin by leaving the crate door open and encouraging your dog to explore it at their own pace. You can toss treats or toys inside to entice curiosity. Don't force your dog into the crate or close the door right away. Speak in a calm, reassuring voice, and reward your dog with praise and affection whenever they approach or enter the crate willingly. Once your dog is comfortable entering the crate, begin feeding meals inside. Place the food bowl at the back of the crate, allowing your dog to associate the space with something enjoyable and rewarding. If your dog seems hesitant, start by placing the bowl just inside the door and gradually move it farther back with each meal. After a few sessions, try closing the crate door while your dog is eating. At first, open the door as soon as they finish, then slowly extend the time the door remains closed after meals. If your dog whines or barks, wait until they are quiet before opening the door. This teaches them that calm behavior is rewarded with freedom. Next, practice short periods of confinement while you are at home. Encourage your dog to enter the crate using a treat or a command such as crate or bed. Close the door for a few minutes, then let your dog out, always rewarding calm and relaxed behavior. Gradually increase the duration, making sure your dog remains comfortable and does not experience anxiousness. During these sessions, stay nearby at first so your dog knows you are close. You can read, watch TV, or work nearby, offering occasional praise or reassurance. Once your dog is comfortable being crated with you in the room, try leaving the room for short intervals. At first, just step out for a minute or two, then gradually increase your absence. Return calmly and let your dog out only when they are quiet. This helps prevent the development of separation anxiety, teaching your dog that your departure and return are normal events, not causes for distress. Nighttime crating is another step. Many dogs, especially puppies, benefit from sleeping in their crate at night. Place the crate in your bedroom or nearby so your dog feels secure and not isolated. Puppies may need to go out for bathroom breaks during the night, so be prepared for that. If your dog whines at night, determine whether it's a genuine need to go outside or simply a desire for attention. Respond consistently and calmly, taking your dog out only if you believe it's necessary. House training is one of the main reasons people crate train their dogs. Dogs naturally avoid soiling their sleeping area, so a crate can help teach bladder and bowel control. However, it's important not to leave your dog in a crate for too long. Puppies can generally hold their bladder for 1 hour per month of age, up to about 6 hours. Adult dogs can usually handle up to 8 hours, but this should be the exception, not the rule. Too much time in the crate can lead to frustration, anxiety, and even physical problems. During the day, provide plenty of opportunities for exercise, play, and bathroom breaks. Use the crate for short periods, such as when you can't supervise your dog or need to run errands. Always make sure your dog has relieved themselves before crating, and never use the crate as a substitute for attention, exercise, or companionship. As your dog becomes accustomed to the crate, you'll notice they may start to seek it out on their own. This is a sign that the crate has become a positive, comforting space. Encourage this behavior by leaving the crate door open when you're home, allowing your dog to come and go as they please. Troubleshooting is an important part of crate training. Some dogs may resist the crate at first, whining, barking, or scratching at the door. It's crucial not to give in to these behaviors, as doing so teaches your dog that making noise results in freedom. Instead, wait for a moment of quiet before letting your dog out. If your dog seems fearful or anxious, slow down the process and return to earlier steps, rewarding positive associations and taking things at your dog's pace. Never use the crate as punishment. If your dog misbehaves, redirect their behavior and use positive reinforcement to encourage desired actions. The crate should always remain a place of safety and comfort, never fear or isolation. For some dogs, particularly those with a history of trauma or anxiety, crate training may require extra patience and care. In such cases, consult with a professional dog trainer or veterinarian for guidance tailored to your dog's unique needs. As your dog becomes more reliable, you can gradually reduce their reliance on the crate. Allow them more freedom in the house, starting with one room at a time under supervision. Continue to use the crate for travel, vet visits, or as a resting spot, but let your dog choose whether to use it during the day. Crate training also makes travel and boarding less stressful for your dog. A crate-trained dog is more likely to feel secure in unfamiliar environments since they have their own familiar space. Practice crating your dog in different locations and for varying durations, always making the experience positive and rewarding. Consistency is key throughout the crate training process. Use the same command words, routines, and rewards. Be patient with setbacks and celebrate progress, no matter how small. Every dog learns at their own pace, and your calm, supportive approach will help build trust and confidence. In summary, crate training is a valuable tool for both you and your dog. When done correctly, it creates a safe haven, supports house training, prevents unwanted behaviors, and fosters a sense of security and independence. Remember to choose the right crate. Introduce it gradually, use positive reinforcement, and never use the crate as punishment. Provide plenty of exercise, attention, and bathroom breaks, and always respect your dog's individual needs and comfort level. Crate training is more than just teaching your dog to accept confinement. It's about building a relationship based on trust, respect, and understanding. With patience, consistency, and a positive attitude, you can help your dog become a happy, well-adjusted member of your family, comfortable both inside and outside the crate. As you embark on your crate training journey, remember that every dog is unique. Some will take to the crate right away, while others may need more time to adjust. Pay attention to your dog's body language and responses, and be willing to adapt your approach as needed. If you ever feel stuck or unsure, don't hesitate to seek advice from experienced trainers or veterinarians. Beyond the practical benefits, crate training can deepen the bond between you and your dog. It teaches communication, patience, and empathy, and helps set the foundation for a lifetime of good habits and mutual trust. Whether you're welcoming a new puppy into your home or helping an older dog learn new tricks, crate training done the right way is a gift to your dog and to yourself. Finally, remember that crate training is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine it with socialization, training, exercise, and plenty of affection to raise a well-rounded, happy dog. Celebrate each milestone, from the first voluntary nap in the crate to a peaceful night's sleep beside your bed. Each small step is a testament to your dedication and your dog's growing confidence. So take your time, be patient, and enjoy the journey. With the right approach, crate training can be a positive and rewarding experience for both you and your dog, laying the groundwork for a lifetime of happiness, security, and companionship.